What is atom? Atom is the smallest particle of the matter which can take part in a chemical reaction and it cannot exist independently. It is the smallest part of the matter that take part in the chemical reaction. Symbol. The shortened name of the element. The shortened name of the element are known as the symbol. Atomic mass unit. It is defined as the mass of 1/12 of the mass of the one atom of carbon taken as 12. For example, atomic mass of oxygen is 16 U. This means that an atom of oxygen is 16 times heavier. An atom of the oxygen is 16 times heavier than the 1/12 of mass of carbon atom taken as 1 U. Atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16 into 1/12 of atomic mass of carbon is 1/12 of atomic mass of carbon is 12. Cut 12 with the 12, then atomic mass of oxygen is 16 U. Now, what is the molecule? Molecule of an element are formed by the combination of two or more atoms of the same element or different element. Molecule is formed by the combination of the two or more atoms of the same element. The number of atoms present in the molecule of an element represents its atomicity. Atomicity, which tells the number of the atom in a molecule. For example, H2, H plus H. It means there are one atom of hydrogen and one atom of hydrogen. It becomes H2. Then the atomicity of hydrogen is 2. Atomicity of hydrogen is 2. If it is in the same atom, then it is called homoatomicity. O3. O3 means 3O combined together and it means 3 atoms of the oxygen is present in it. Then atomicity of the O3 is 3. P4. P, write down 4 times. It means 4 atoms of the phosphorus is present in it. Then its atomicity is 4. HCl. 1 atom H and 1 atom Cl. It means it is diatomic. It is diatomic but heteroatomic, not homoatomic. It is heteroatomic. H2O. H 2 times and oxygen 1 time. 1 atom of hydrogen, 1 atom of hydrogen, 1 atom of oxygen. 1 atom of hydrogen form the molecule of hydrogen. Then it is triatomic. NH3, 1 nitrogen, 3 hydrogen. It means 4. It is called tetraatomicity. 4 atomicity is there. 4 means tetraatomicity. CH4, 4 plus 1 carbon, 5. Pentaatomicity is there. These are the heteroatom. Ions. Ion is defined as the atom or group of the atom having positive or negative charge. Positive charge ion called the cation. Sodium, potassium, calcium, aluminium, all these carry the positive charge and these are all the cations. Negatively charged ions are called anions. Chlorine, sulfide, hydroxide, sulfate, all these carries negative charge. These are the anions.